Welcome back for our second annual 12 Days of Christmas, where we bring 12 holiday recipes at you for the next 12 days. On the first day, we're doing something simple. We're doing Haystacks. We have some chocolate chips, we have some butterscotch chips, we have some of those chow mein noodles, and a little bit of coconut oil. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to start with 3 cups of our butterscotch chips. And we're going to take 3 cups of our chocolate chips. Use your favorite chocolate here. It can be dark, it could be milk. If you really wanted, it could even be white chocolate. It wouldn't be too shabby. Now you can melt your chocolate in a microwave at 30-second intervals stirring, or you can do it on a double boiler where you boil water on one pan with the next pan on top, melting your chocolate. Now we're going to take 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. You could also use peanut butter here if you want instead of coconut oil, because it's going to help do the same thing. Alright, once that is melted smooth, you're going to go ahead and remove from heat. Now you want roughly 7 cups of chow mein noodles, which would roughly be 3 of the 5-ounce cans. Then go ahead, get those coated, mixed around. Now we're going to move over to a baking sheet with some parchment paper. And we're just going to Alright, so once you got your cookie sheet filled, you can wait for these to set up. You can put them in the fridge, you can put them in the freezer, let them set up, and then they're ready to serve. I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have them. Just some of them trade up. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.